Like it's a little
Jamaican,
bit like close.
Jamaican and Trinidadian is completely two different languages. I can see where like you can kind of like get the like I can see where it's kind of similar, but no.
That's like basically like yo, like what's good
Mm, I'm gonna steal that.
type shit.
I'm gonna put it into
I think we ain't done yet.
my vocabulary.
That's tough. What's your name though?
Sydney.
Oh, you got that shit on your room. That's fire. I like how creative you are. Like you got like mad shit in your room.
Oh my
I'm the best in the nation.
god. This wonderful, amazing poster I got. One of my sketches, my favorite poems, pictures with friends, another drawing. That's like